Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see the list of questions that have been asked by Google in their DSA interviews or in other question series as well. So you can find the all questions on over the LeetCode. So to do that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the leetcode.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you do that, this is the basic homepage you're gonna find. Here in this top section, you have to go to this option which says problems. Once you go over there, let it get load. Once it get loads, here you're going to find the list of some problems, and in the top in the right bottom corner you're going to see this icon, something a golden icon. Just simply tap over there and you're going to find the list of companies, and here you can see the Google, which has currently 2003 questions that have been listed over LeetCode that has been asked by Google in the past times. So you can just simply tap it over there and access the questions over here. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.